Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Listening section for part 3. Good morning and welcome to this lecture on hair, which is a part of the human biology course. This lecture covers a number of facts about hair, its structure, and what can like the general whole of hair. So first of all, what is hair and why do we have? If we look back at the ancestor, we'll see that they had a lot more hair on their bodies than we do now. And there are with two main reasons for having hair. One is provide warmth, but as humans have worn clothes for many years, body hair has significantly reduced. The other is for protection. And again, this isn't significant as it was one, but hair does still benefit areas the body such as the head and around the eyes. No hair whatever, it's a far whatever is it when the human body is composed mainly of protein called keratin. Despite the why is also found in fingernail, in fact, is keratin which makes them flexible and without it would be very rigid. Another interesting fact about hair is that it's very strong as from in fact one single strand can support a weight of up to 100 grams. This may not sound all that much, but a full head hair can support up 12 to the, which in the equivalent of a couple of 11, which is simply amazing. So I advise you not to put this to the rest. Human love up 100 of hair day, but we do have quite a lot of hair stock with there's some variation depending on hair color, but as an adult the stand count is closing. That is not too bad, although this is the average. People with red hair have around stand black or blonde hair, and blondes have about. So hair used to be important for the reason I mentioned earlier, but nowadays it's said the main importance of hair, the fact that it's a big business apart from the money involved. It's hair culting, saving, trimming, fortune is spent just on hair product. In the UK alone, consumers spend over 5 billion pounds in year dance. So I like to just give you a quick overview of the structure of hair. As you can see along the length of the hair, there are the main part called the bulb, the knot, and the of a single hair is fixed at one and below the skin in the bulb. The bulb like a can, and under the end of the hair in the head. The next part of the hair is the root, and this is part of the hair which lies just beneath the skin, and in terms of hair production, in the most important, this can be considered the control center for each strand of hair, and is where the glands are found. This produce of which blows along the length of the hair, and the health of the root determines the several health of the stand of hair. The last part is the soft and his the hair which is above the skin, and is of course what we can see. Fortunately, this is not active, and I fortunately, because otherwise it would be very fine to have your haircut. And finally, I I just like to offer a few factors that impact on the overall health of them. Like every other part of the body or the diet. That is what we eat is extremely important to that condition of our health. But whereas a change in your diet to, for example, getting unhealthy food will soon be noticeable in your skin. Change to your hair will like longer. A change in day to day could take several months to have an effect on your hair. And so what is the key to healthy hair? While eating a balanced diet is the most important thing, there are a number of vitamins that are vital for good hair health. The main ones being vitamin C, D, A, and a balanced diet. All these vitamins should be really available if you need boost vitamin. For example, one of the best things to eat are blueberries. For vitamin D, the best example are fish, mushroom, and eggs. And for vitamin A, nuts and seeds. Thank you. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.